Do you have this problem in your Nissan 240sx? That super annoying dinging, also known as, which I just learned today from looking in my service manual, a door chime. Recently I started making a different video on this. I took the whole kicker panel out and a side panel off, trying to figure out how to take it out. And then I finally decided today to look in my service manual, and it was actually super straightforward and easy. All you have to do is take your fuse panel off. So all you do, reach back, grab your fuse panel, this little tab right here, just pull that, pops off. And then it's this right here, so it's making the dinging. Just that right there, that little pin, you just grab that, push it in, pull, and then just tuck it back. No airbag, seat belt, or any warning light comes on. I'll show you that now. Okay, so you come in here, turn the key on. Number one, there's no dinging. I'm gonna start it just so some of the other lights go away. I have my brake light on right now, which is off, and the seat belt light. And all I gotta do is clip my seat belts in and the seat belts on the other side in. Give me 1 second. And bam, your lights are gone. That is literally all you have to do to get rid of that chime. I believe it's 2 screws to pull it off, but it's not really, doesn't really weigh anything, so who cares. So if you guys found this helpful or liked it, or would like me to do more videos like this, please smash that like button, give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more stuff like this, or any of my other videos that have to do with cars, dirt bikes, vlogs, trips, whatever I happen to be doing, please subscribe, and there will be more videos soon. See you guys in the next one.